Is Dr. Davji Bimjiatela, the National Secretary General for KMPDU, and also the Secretary to the Caucus for Health Workers countrywide. We've had deliberations with health workers in the city today, and we are disturbed at the frustrations, the exploitation, the intimidations that they are working at the workplace. Their dignity has been lost for the last 2 years that the government of Kisii County has changed. We have a situation where doctors who are doing the work and get sick are the salaries are being stopped arbitrarily, yet they're sick. We have consultants that are working in very poor conditions. We have tried to have engagements with the county for the last 15 months with no results. So in our today's deliberation, as unions, we have sat down and we know that the ultimate power of workers comes with the skills that they have learned. And today we are issuing a 14-day strike notice to Kisii County that will commence on 4th of March if the issues that we had taken to the government have not been addressed. That is, the doctors, the health workers who are being victimized has not stopped. That is, the salaries that have been stopped are not reinstated. That the consultants and all the health workers have not been designated to the right positions and also promoted to the right places. So we are not begging as unions, because when we lose that right to strike, then we become collective beggars. But we know that we have the right to bargain. And therefore, on 4th of March, 2024, all the health workers in Kisii, if the issues that we have mentioned are not addressed, there will be no anybody in the hospitals. Thank you.
Ibore, the General Secretary, Kenya Union of Clinical Officers. Here we have all the unions from the health sector, that is the KMPDU, the KUKO, the NUPT, there are very many, the nutritionists, the medical laboratory, public health, among others. Yes, including morticians. So I will go first, and I want to make it very clear why we are here. We are here today as healthcare workers to just make a statement that we are dismayed in the manner that the county government have chosen to be disruptive, causing havoc among our members, transferring them arbitrarily and even demoting them without following the laid down procedure.
Shame!
It is a shame, and we have come here to say, if there is no order, if it is the governor who is causing disorder, we can actually cause disorder more than he can.
Yes.
We will send him back to Nairobi, where he came from, where people can organize him. I think the people of Kisii are very peaceful.
Amen.
Now, if you can choose even to attack healthcare workers, I want to give a case scenario. That a clinician is attacked by a dog, and when they raise the issues, they are being transferred. They are being muted. And yet, it is them who are attacked and beaten by a dog. And within the hospital, where they are offering services. And then when you raise such an issue, you are told you are not in order. So who is in order in this case? So I must say this, that if that is what is happening within our referral hospital, and you continue transferring people, then you must be the one who is sick mentally. You know, they say, if you correct a fool, they hate you. If you correct an intellectual person, they will actually appreciate. So we have come here today to say, he will choose to be an intellectual person, to accept to be corrected, or to hate us. And we are ready to be hated.
Dr. Marita must go.
I must say a few issues before my colleague come. That one, we are here because promotion has not been happening. And when our members ask for promotion, they are being threatened. And threatened by goons. Even goons following branch officials to their home state. Threatening them, following them with motorbikes. This is the stupidity that must stop.
Amen.
The other thing is because this county has chosen that no healthcare worker can go for further study. They have refused to allow members to go back to school as it is provided under our policies. The other issue, which is a torn issue, is actually the severe shortage of healthcare workers. You find that this county has not employed healthcare workers 7 years now. And you continue purporting to offer quality services. What category of this county, I don't know what to call this county, then we must say, our cry always that this disintegration of the health sector is a problem, then Kisii sets a good precedency that we are in a country of disruptive. Lastly, it is the issues of the of the NHF. You know very well that there have been a lot of corruption happening here, and when our members raise because it is affecting them, they are being threatened. We will do this, we'll issue out a statement pertaining to the same. Thank you very much. Solidarity forever.